Hello LBB, this is Gayatri. Welcome to my home. I am a home decor enthusiast and a big time DIY artist. So most of the things in this house you will see either they are recycled, they are DIYed or purchased from a flea market. So all these things you see here like this Buddha and all these things I've kept here just to make the place more welcoming. And many things like this basket, this is hiding many wires inside it. So I try to make things look more aesthetic while being practical. So this is my favorite part where I always check my outfit before stepping out. And this is something which I always wanted to buy since my childhood. This has become my favorite place to read a book or to sip tea. And then this is also something where it tells what kind of books we read. Generally, we are not into books, but this is what I have. Then this is my husband's favorite sofa, which he always want to keep it in the living room, which I always tell him not to. Let me take you to my living room. As you can see, this place has all the earthy colors. I always thought that all the earthy colors makes the place look very welcoming. As I was talking about my DIY interest, this table, it is a very old table which I got from my parents. It was of dark color and I always thought dark colors makes the space look smaller. So I painted it, as you can see, I painted it with white color and then I gave it a gravings like this, and then I painted those gravings with clay color, which is again a earthy color and which makes it look very big and the space looks spacious. As you can see a small gallery here, I'm still under process of decorating this house because we have recently moved to this house. So there are some pictures which I love and which are us. These pictures totally tells about us. This is my puja space. I've kept it very small and minimal and which is very close to the place where we eat. Now comes my dining area. As you can see here also all the colors are very earthy tone and which is again I kept it like that so that it make the space look bigger. And here also you can see so many DIYs. As if I talk about this vase, I got it from a flea market like a scrap market and then I painted it. And I wanted to have it again in white color so that it makes the space look spacious. This is also a vase which I made with a toy. And the most exciting part are these two big frames. If you see, these are plain frames and I have put one dry leaf, which is a natural leaf. It got dried and pressed it and placed in this frame. So this whole place, we took so much time to decorate it, but I think slowly it is coming to a picture and it is telling a lot more about us. And this painting you see here, it is a gift from someone and it's very close to my heart because the jazz and the color it brings, it is the exact vibe I would want to have where we eat. Because for me, food is not just recipe, it's expression of love. This is one of the bedroom. We have converted this into my son's toy room and my workplace. So here if you see, this wall is all about him. So he loves Legos and all this, like the whole wall he has taken and he's showcasing his Lego creations here. And the half of the part is my workplace where sometimes he uses it as his study table and all the shooting and everything I do here. Let's come to my bedroom now. So here you can see I've put some frames. These are also one of my favorite DIYs which I made with shells which I got from my trips. So this is our master bedroom and here also all the colors are earthy and I've added a little pop of color here to vibrate the overall decor, and to match it with this I have put this circle cushion. Here also, this tree of life we have made long back, and the other part, the McCream art, is also there. You can see the vase there, that also I got from a scrap market, and all the flowers and everything are handmade. Here also, so many DIYs you'll see. You'll find this also one of the DIY which I have, did a makeover of an old lamp. This is a small balcony in my apartment. I love this space, so whenever I get bored and I want some fresh air, I come here and sip my coffee. This is not just a house, it's where my heart lives. So after coming back home after a long tiring day, this is home for me. I've poured so much love into creating all the corners. So no matter wherever I go, whenever I come back, this warmth is waiting for me. So for me, house is not what you live, it is what you feel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do subscribe to LBB Homely's newsletter.